All right, guys, today on the docket, man, for our unboxing and review, it's going to be the Elite 64 1990 BMW 318i Touring. So this is a first one-off for Mattel here. So it's the first time casting of this one. And it's pretty cool, man. So we're going to take a better look at this one. We're going to open it up and see what it's all about. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, guys, here we go, man. There it is in all its glory right there. Yeah, 1990 BMW 318i Touring. So it has the license plate on tour there. It has a tilted sunroof here. It is a wide body edition with the M stripes. If you don't know what these colors mean, it means Texaco, BMW, and you blend them together and you come up with this kind of purplish dark blue stripe there. So that's what that means if you didn't know. So it's got, what is that, 8-spoke wheels, 9-spoke wheels, 8-spoke I think. So little lip spoiler on the back there. So, and I know this engine hood opens here. So there we go. It's not hinged, you know, it kind of is, but not really. But let's take a look at the engine here. There it is. It's pretty cool, man. Little strut tower in there too. So yeah, pretty cool, man. You guys know I'm a BMW fan, so this goes right up there in my collection, man. So let's pop this sucker back on. So that's how that works. It just kind of just lays in there, you know, kind of like that. So not too bad. But overall, man, I actually really like this one. Like I said, not being a wagon guy, it's not an M, but it's dressed up pretty good, man, for a 318. You know, for the touring edition that I don't think we got here in the United States. But there we go, guys. So let me know what you think. You know, do you like it? Is it a smash or pass, you know, type deal? So, you know, I'm smashing and definitely stay in my collection here. So this is my Lucy. I have another one that is put away. But yeah, there we go, man. The 1990 BMW 318i Touring, man. Leave a comment, man. Let me know what you guys think about it. You know, like I said, I think it's pretty cool. And it's a much needed addition to my collection. So there we go, guys. All right, man. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and, like I said, drop a comment, drop a like. And until next time, guys, there we go.